What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today it's all about the skin. Now if you are someone who suffers from congested skin, which pretty much we all do I guess, especially if we wear makeup, blackheads, texture, and you want to get rid of it, I have this video for you guys. I'm so excited to share my process with you guys. It's something I've been doing for years. Gunk in your pores, blackheads, any excess makeup inside the pores on the skin, dead skin cells, dirt, just detox your face of all the nastiness. So if you guys want to learn how I do my full-on routine, then definitely keep on watching. So you want to start off by feeling the surface of your skin, seeing where the blackheads are, where the congestion is, any blemishes you may have, just getting to know your skin. And then we're going to go ahead and steam our face. This is super important. I cannot stress enough. You need to open up your pores in order to get anything out. So this is a very important step. This steamer right here, I actually bought about a month ago off of Cult Beauty. I'll link it down below for you guys. But before this, all I did was boil a kettle, put hot water in a bowl, and steam my face. You want to steam your face for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how much congestion you have. The next step is getting all those blackheads and the gunk out. Now this little tool was actually passed down to me by my mom years and years ago. I can't seem to find the exact same one online, but I'll link similar ones that do the same kind of job. And all you want to do is run this tool against anywhere you have the blackheads and congestion. You're slowly going to see it build up in the little scoop, and it's so nasty, but it's showing you what's coming out. It's so disgusting but it's so useful, guys. This little tool gets every little nasty thing out. You can see I'm showing you, it's so gross, but it's reality. So then I steam my face one more time just for a minute, literally just roughly steaming my face all over before I go in with my Glam Glow mud mask. This is a detox one. Anytime you do any type of detox mask that's supposed to get gunk out and push all the gross stuff out of your skin, you need to open up your pores, otherwise it's literally going to do nothing at all. So you want to steam your face before doing this type of mask. You can just do this in the T-zone, but I did it all over because that's just what I like. And then you want to wait for it to dry about 20 minutes and wash it off. And what we're going to do straight after washing it off is scrub our skin. This is the one I've been using lately and I really love. You can use any kind of scrub that you currently like. You can make one at home with some sugar and some honey, but this is going to go all over the skin. It's from Kate Somerville, and we're going to wash that off. Straight after this, I'm going to shave the skin. You can skip the step altogether. This is almost like dermaplaning. I've used a dermaplaning tool on my Instagram recently, which I also really love, so I'll link that down below as well for you guys to watch. But this is another one that I use often. It's very quick and easy, great for travel. I'm just running this on the sides of my face and above the lip before I go in with a sheet mask. This is the one I use for this type of detox facial that I do at home. It's from Murad and it's the Hydro Glow Aqua Peel. Basically this little swab has lactic and glycolic acid and basically resurfaces the skin and exfoliates and smooths it out. And then the moisture infusion mask is so, oh, it feels so amazing. It's so cold, but it has hyaluronic acid in it and it replenishes the skin, minimizes lines and wrinkles, and it seals in loads of moisture, and it's just an amazing mask. This stays on my skin for about 20 minutes. And then I move on to doing a face roller. I love these two I have. I'll link them down below. I'm just showing both just because they're the ones that I have and I use. These type of rollers are really good for lifting the face, sculpting the face, and just making it feel really plump. And then I go in with my skincare. These are the 3 products I've been using recently and I love. They're perfect for the summertime. This one is from Murad. It's a serum. It's really good for the skin. It has a bunch of good ingredients in it, and then I moisturize the skin with my Henrikson C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. As you can see, I've pretty much finished it. It's really good on the skin, especially for the summertime. It's a gel, so it's perfect underneath makeup. And then my Henrikson Banana Bright Eye Cream, which I've been obsessed with since starting to use it a few months ago. I absolutely love it. It really brightens the under eye. So that is the full video, guys. I hope you learned something new and this has helped you. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so let me know down below. Subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.